Hello everyone, this is your GK class and our today's topic is animals. Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. Animals. Today we are going to know about animals. Okay, what are animals? Type of animals. Okay, we are going to know the different types of animals and their names with the spelling. Okay, so let's begin our today's class. What are animals? What are animals? Okay, animals are living things. In previous video we have learned, right, living thing and non-living things, right? I have told you that all animals are living things. So animals are living things. They eat, they drink and have feelings also. Okay, like us, like human beings. We human beings also eat, we drink and we have feelings. Same, animals also have feelings. They also eat, they also drink like us. Okay, there are many types of animals. Yes, many types of animals. Animals live in different places. Okay, animals lives in different places. Animals are divided into groups. Animals live in different places means wild animal, there are different types of animals. Okay, I will tell you in this video the types of animals, but the means like we all animals we also kept in our house, that animals we call as pet animals. Okay, so that animals where they live in our house with us. Okay, so there are so many different types of animals that they live in different places. Okay, now let's see the types of animals and where they live. Types of animals. Types. Types. Of animals. 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 Types of animals. Okay, you can see in this picture that the types of animals, this all insect and these all things we call animals. Okay, now how many types of animals I will tell you in the next slide. Okay, so now let's see the types of animals. Types of animals are mammals, insects, birds and water animals. Types of animals are types. Types O F, of animals. 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 Are. Types of animals are mammals, insects, birds, and water animals. Now, mammals are which type of animals? Okay, I will tell you in the next slide. Now, just see how many types of animals. I said 4 types. What are they? Mammals, insects, birds, and water animals. So 4 types of animals we are going to learn in this video. Mammals. M-A-M-M-A-L-S. Mammals. Insects. 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 Birds. 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 And water animals. WATER. Water animals. 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 Yes, when you listen the name of water animals, you can imagine the animals that live into the water, that we call water animals. Okay, and about insects, about birds, about water animals we will learn in this class. Okay, now let's move to the mammals. What are mammals, how they look, and which animals we call as mammals? Let's see. Mammals. M-A-M-M-A-L-S. Mammals. M-A-M-M-A-L-S. Mammals. Now, mammals have hair on their body. The animals who have hair on their body, we call that animals as mammals. What we call mammals? Which animals? The animals who have hair on their body. Hair means, all you know, right? This hair. We human being also have hair, and the animals which have hair, that animals we call mammals. Okay, animals like dog, lion, rabbit, bear, they all have hair on their body, so that animals we call mammals. Okay, mammals have feed their young with milk. Okay, mammals have feed their young with milk. Now, the animals who feed their young with milk are called mammals. That animals we call mammals. Okay, which animals feed their young with milk? Mammals. Okay, mammals have feed their young with milk. Now, the next point is mammals give birth to their young ones except for spiny anteater and platypus. Mammals give bird to their young ones except for spiny anteater and platypus. Spiny anteater. Look at this picture. The first picture, the animals we call spiny anteater. Okay, this comes into the mammals. Okay, this animals is mammals, but this spiny anteater can't give, they are not give birth, they lays egg. Okay, and platypus, the second picture, the second one is platypus. This animals we call platypus, but this is also count in mammals, but these animals also not give birth, they lays egg, but also they are called mammals. Okay, so mammals give birth to their young ones except for spiny anteater and platypus. Okay, you all know na, spiny anteater and platypus. These two animals, except these two animals, every mammals give birth to their young ones. Okay, mammals. Now look at this picture. These all animals are mammals. M A M M A L S, mammals. Okay, the first animal is giraffe. Giraffe, deer, horse, sheep, squirrel, dog, cat, pig, lion, monkey, elephant, mouse, fox, kangaroo, cow, goat, otter, raccoon, hippopotamus, mole, chimpanzee, walrus, hedgehog, panda, rabbit, zebra, bat and tiger. These all animals are mammals animal. Okay, mammals. Which animals? Giraffe. 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 Deer. 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 Horse. 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 Sheep. 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 Squirrel. 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 Dog. 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 Cat. Cat. Pig. Pig. Lion. Lion. Monkey. Monkey. Elephant. Elephant. Mouse. Mouse. Fox. Fox. Kangaroo. G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Goat, G-O-A-T, goat. Otter, O-T-T-E-R, otter. Raccoon, R-A-C-C-O-O-N, raccoon. Hippopotamus, H-I-P-P-O-T-A-M-U-S, hippopotamus. Mole, M-O-L-E. Chimpanzee, C-H-I-M-P-A-N-Z-E-E, chimpanzee. Walrus, W-A-L-R-U-S, walrus. Hedgehog, H-E-D-G-E-H-O-G, hedgehog. Panda, P-A-N-D-A, panda. Rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Zebra, Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Bat, B-A-T, bat. Tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Okay, so these all animals are mammals. Okay, you all understand what are animals and how they look? Mammals, which the mammals have hair on head, on their body, that animals we call mammals. Which animals? The animals have hair on their body, that animals we call mammals. And what does mammal do? Mammals feed their young ones with milk. Okay, like cow. Cow feed their young ones with milk, right? So cow is also mammal. Now let's know about insects. I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. Now what are insects? Which animal we call as insects? Let's learn. Insects have hard outer covering on their body. Okay, hard outer covering on their body. Okay, insects have hard outer covering on their body. The cover of insects on their body is hard. Okay, and insects have head, thorax and abdomen. Okay, insects have head, thorax and abdomen. See in this picture, the first picture, where is head, thorax and abdomen. Okay, the parts, the body parts, like human, like us, we have so many different parts of body, right? We have eyes, ears, nose and so many parts of our body. But insects have head, thorax and abdomen. The main parts of their body is head, thorax and abdomen. Okay, see in this picture which part is head and which part is thorax and which part is abdomen. head, H-E-A-D, head, thorax, T-H-O-R-A-X, thorax, and abdomen, A-B-D-O-M-E-N, abdomen. Okay. Insects have two antennae. Okay. Like the second picture, you can see the picture of butterfly. The butterfly have two antenna, like in their head they have two antenna. The head, in their head they have two antenna. Okay. Every insect they have two antenna on their head. Okay. And insects lay eggs. Okay. Insects lay eggs. Butterfly antenna. After the next picture, you can see the eggs of insects, how they lay their eggs. Yes, can you see? Yes, this how the insects lay their eggs. Okay, this white, the small white ones is eggs. Okay, so insects have hard outer covering on their body. Insects have head, thorax, and abdomen. Insects have two antennae. Insects lay eggs. Okay, insects like honeybee, butterfly, mosquito, silkworm, spider, earthworm, ants, and grasshopper. This all we call insects. Okay, like honeybee makes honey. Okay, we all love honey, right? How we get honey? We get honey from honeybee. Okay, and butterfly is a very colorful insect. Okay, we all love to see butterfly, right? Because butterfly is a very colorful insect. Okay, mosquito bites us and suck our blood. Okay, mosquitoes bite us. Why they bite us? Because they suck our blood. Okay, silkworm give us silk. Okay, spider makes spider webs. Okay, spider makes spider web. Earthworm are called farmer's friend. Okay, the insect earthworm are called farmer's friend. Okay, ants live in colonies and makes ant hills. Okay, ants live in colonies and makes ant hills. Grasshopper are found in grass. Okay, the grasshopper we found in the grass. Okay, now let's know the different types of insects with their name and spelling. Okay, see, insects, I-N-S-E-C-T-S, insects. Insects like ladybug, dragonfly, grasshopper, ant, mosquito, butterfly, beetle, moth, and bee. Okay, these are the different types of insects. Ladybug. The spelling of ladybug is Ladybug. Ladybug. Okay. Dragonfly. 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 Grasshopper. double S H O double P E R, grasshopper. Ant, A N T, ant. Mosquito, M O S Q U I T O, mosquito. What does mosquito do? Mosquitoes bite us and suck our blood. Okay. Butterfly, B U T T E R F L Y, butterfly. And how does butterfly look? Butterfly look very beautiful. Why? Because butterfly is a very colorful insect. They have different color and so many different types of butterfly. Okay. Beetle, B E E T L E, beetle. Moth, M O T H, moth. Bee, B E E, bee. Okay. So these all are the different types of insects, and these animals, these ladybugs, mosquitoes, butterfly, these all are animals, but we call insect. What we call insect. Okay. And birds, B I R D S, birds. Now let's know about birds. Okay. Birds have feather on their body. Birds have feathers on their body. Now what is feather? You all know? No? Okay, I will tell you. See in this picture, the first picture, there are so many different types of feathers. This we call feathers. Okay. And these feathers, only birds have these feathers. Okay. Feathers of peacock, duck, crow, hen. Okay. They all have feathers. Okay. Where on their body. Okay. Bird have feathers on their body. Bird have a big 2 legs and 2 wings. Okay. Birds have a big from where they eat food. Okay. That big, they have 2 legs. Okay. Birds have only 2 legs. Okay. And 2 wings. They have 2 wings that they can fly. Birds lay eggs. Okay. See in the next picture how bird is laying the eggs. Okay. You can see the egg also. This is bird's egg. Okay. And the birds is lay egg. Okay. So birds have feather on their body. Birds have a big 2 legs and 2. Now let's see the different types of bird. Okay. Different types of birds are robin, sparrow, wagtail, crow, peacock, peahen, swallow, nightingale, waxwing, woodpecker, duck, dove, lapwing, parrot, kite, myna, kingfisher, canary, owl, hawk, pigeon, puffin, quail, hornbill, eagle, vulture and toucan. Okay, these are the different types of birds. Okay, and let's learn the spelling of these birds. Robin, R-O-B-I-N, Robin. Sparrow, S-P-A-R-R-O-W, sparrow. Wagtail, W-A-G-T-A-I-L, wagtail. Crow, C-R-O-W, crow. Peacock, P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Peahen, P-E-A-H-E-N, peahen. Swallow, S-W-A-L-L-O-W, swallow. Nightingale, N-I-G-H-T-I-N-G-A-L-E, woodpecker, W-O-O-D-P-E-C-K-E-R, woodpecker. Duck, D-U-C-K, duck. Dove, D-O-V-E, dove. Parrot, P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Kite, K-I-T-E, kite. Myna, M-Y-N-A-H, myna. Kingfisher, K-I-N-G-F-I-S-H-E-R, kingfisher. Canary, C-A-N-A-R-Y, canary. Owl, O-W-L, owl. Pigeon, P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. Quail, Q-U-A-I-L, quail. Hornbill, H-O-R-N-B-I-L-L, hornbill. Eagle, E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Vulture, V-U-L-T-U-R-E, vulture. Okay, so these are the different types of birds. Okay, water animals, W-A-T-E-R, water animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals, water animals. The animals that live on the water we call water animals, like fish, tortoise, whale, crocodile. Okay, these all animals where they live into the water. Okay, and water animals have scales on their body. Okay, scales you can see in this picture. The first picture is the picture of a fish, and see on their body so many scales. Okay, so water animals have scales on their body. Okay, water animals have a tail and several fins. Okay, water animals have tail. The next picture you can see the tail of whale. Almost every water animals have their tail. Okay. Water animals have gills. Okay. Water animals also lay eggs. Okay. Except some, all water animals lays egg. You can see the eggs, how this tortoise lays their egg. Yes. So water animals lays eggs. Okay. Now let's see some different types of water animals. Okay. Water animals like angelfish, catfish, tuna, codfish, octopus, whale, eel, seahorse, shark, dolphin, sea turtle, jellyfish, lobster, starfish, seal, sea lion, crocodile, oyster, crab and paddlefish. Okay, these all are water animals and their names. Okay, angelfish, the spelling of angelfish is ANGELFISH. Angelfish. And why we call angelfish? Because this fish is look like angel in so many different colors. It's a very beautiful fish. So that's why we call angelfish. Okay. Catfish. 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 Tuna. 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 Codfish. 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 Octopus. 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 Whale. 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 Eel. 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 Seahorse. 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 Shark. 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 Dolphin. 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 Sea turtle. SEAC. Turtle. 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 Jellyfish. 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 Lobster. 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 Starfish. 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 Seal. 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 Sea lion. SEALION. Sea lion. Crocodile. 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 Crab. 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 Okay. So these all are water animals. Okay. Now let's stop for here. Today we have